y'all, so in today's video it is something a little bit different. It's just going to be a nice little vibey chill vlog of me crocheting this sweater right here. I'm not filming a real tutorial on it because this is actually not my pattern. I got this pattern right here for Belina Bellwood. I hope I'm saying that right. I think I remember it correctly, but her tutorial for the sweater right here will be linked in my description box below. I absolutely love all of her tutorials. They're so easy to understand. She actually shares it without having to buy anything, so that's why I'm not going to reshare her pattern. I just want to share with you guys the process of me making this sweater. It was so relaxing and it came out so cute. Her patterns are easy to follow and it actually comes out how she describes it. I love how she doesn't make anything that's too form-fitting, so it's easy to tailor her patterns to your own size. So as you can see, it is this nice little sweater vest. At the bottom, she was saying that you could have done like a little cuff to make it like scrunched up at the bottom, but I didn't do that. I like that it's nice and full size, big armholes, and a nice little ribbed neckline. That's actually the back. This is the front right here. The front, I wanted it more cohesive with just a little cream color. I used about 4 different types of yarn to create this little stripe pattern, and it's just so neutral and so cute. I don't know how I'm gonna style this yet, but when I make a little video of it, I will be linking it in the description box so you guys can see how I end up styling this. I'm so excited to wear this in the fall, but I also will be wearing it this summer with like a little bandeau top underneath, because as you can see, it does have gaps, but it's not super see-through. The holes aren't huge, so if you just put like a little nude colored bralette underneath here or a little tank top, it'll be perfectly fine. And this also will be great in the fall because you can put something a little bit thicker underneath it and just layer with this piece. But overall, I love it. It is definitely the most neutral crochet item I've made yet. I'm usually doing bright colors, but I really wanted to do something with this nice jean ombre color, and it had jeans and red, and it just gave me country western vibes. So I want to make something so preppy and cute with it. Let me see if I can actually throw it on right now for you guys to give you guys just a little fit check. So this is basically how it's fitting. Let me sit up. It's real different for me. I didn't know if I was going to like it. I feel like there were some different things I could have done while putting it together to make it a little bit looser, but I definitely see the vision for it. I can get the vibes. Okay, so I did a little tuck with the shirt underneath, and just look how cute that is. It is so preppy and so cute, y'all. Like, see, and you can't even tell that I have this little orange shirt underneath it. It is definitely something that is a little bit different for me, but it is so preppy and so cute. As you can see, I did a little tuck in the back, but with these blue shorts, it's so cute. And I can see it with some khaki pants in the fall, some denim jeans, like so cute. So this is the sweater. If you guys want to see the process of me making this, a little chill vibe, you guys can put this on in the background while you're crocheting yourself and just get some inspiration for it. Definitely check out her channel. She is amazing. I love all her tutorials, and I definitely will be making more from her. I think she actually also came out with her own line of crochet yarn. I believe it's cotton too, so definitely check her out. She is one of the first crochet YouTube accounts that I subscribe to, and I love this vest. I might actually make it again. And this is how it looks untucked. Still a nice little cute crop. You definitely don't have to tuck it in. Let me let y'all go. Let me let y'all finish. But this is the finished product once again. You can see a little bit of my shirt underneath it, but when I wear it, I'll probably be wearing something that is a little bit closer to my skin tone, but it's still really not even taken away from how cute this sweater is. I absolutely love it. Coming up soon, I will do a video of all the things that I have been crocheting recently, so stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for a video of everything that I have been crocheting recently, a video of everything that I've been reading recently. And I think that is it. Make sure you are following me on Instagram at Everything by Maja. That's where you see more crochet clips, a lot of face content, more behind the scenes when it comes to my mom's hair salon. If that interests you, make sure you are following me on Instagram at Everything by Maja. Make sure your post notifications are turned on for this channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next upload.